Alright, so today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite shoes I wear. These are the Nike Air Max Tavas, made by Nike. And then there's the Air Max right there. So yeah, these are some of my favorite shoes. I've had them for quite some time now. I would say probably about a year. And they still look great. I mean, these are really durable shoes. They're comfortable to wear. They're really lightweight. Coolest thing I like about these shoes is, well, I like to wash my shoes. And I don't use the little scrubber things where you just kind of wipe it down. I usually just throw them in the washer. And for me, I definitely don't dry them though. That's going to ruin the shoes. But if I just wash them with my other, I don't know, like rugs or things like that I don't mind my shoes touching, I just pop these in there for a wash. And it's made out of this like really lightweight material, so they dry really fast, and it's really durable, so there's no paint chipping or anything. Nothing happens to the shoes when I wash them, except for this portion right here comes out really white and clean. I haven't washed them since probably about 4 or 5 days now. I usually wash them once a week once they start building up, like right here. But anyhow, the good thing about these shoes is they're so durable that even if I wash them, they're not going to come apart. They're just not going to fall apart. Some shoes, including some Nike shoes or New Balance shoes, if I wash them, they start to chip, or the paint comes off, or the glue starts to come unfolded. It's a lot of different things. But these ones, I can wash them over and over and over again, and they come out looking brand new. So that's why I like these shoes. And let's take a closer look. So right here on the outside, this is just like a soft, it's like a felt feeling. Yeah, it's like soft and smooth. It's like velvet. And then this right here feels like it might be plastic. This right here and this right here feels like it's like kind of like a Gore-Tex material. It feels like it's waterproof. These aren't waterproof though, I don't think. I guess I don't know. I've never worn them in a puddle, but they don't feel like they're waterproof. But this feels like it's Gore-Tex though. And here's the tread. Sorry, it's kind of dirty because again, I use these every day and I haven't washed them since last week. But pretty comfortable, and tread's still good. I've had them for, like I said, for close to a year. And then for the shoelaces, lace them up all the way. I usually just crisscross them back and forth, pull this one out, and then I stick this, the shoelace hard plastic part. I don't know what that is. If you do, if you know what it's called, leave a message in the comments below. But that's how I lace them up, and it fits perfectly. You could change out the color of the shoelaces, but I think that this color goes good with it. It just kind of blends in with everything. As far as the inside goes, it's pretty cushiony. It's just, it's fine. It's not really snug on my foot, like say if you were driving like a Porsche or something like that. But that's probably to do with me having the shoelaces like this. I think if I laced them up, then there would probably be a little bit more snug on my feet. And then as far as the weight, these things are really light. Yeah, these are some of the lightest shoes I've ever worn. They're not quite as light as New Balances, but they're not really heavy like, say, basketball shoes. So because of that, I can wear these all over the place, no matter where I'm going, and I still feel really comfortable. They do have like a pitched sole, so if you're looking to gain, a half inch or something like that, these are definitely good shoes like that. So you can see the sole is much bigger here than it is here in the front. I happen to be 5'11", and when I put these on, I'm pretty sure I'm 6 foot, or at least closer to it than without the shoes. So again, it does have a little bit of a heel on it, so that's cool. I like that. On the back here, it has Nike Air, as most of these shoes do, and then it has this like little loop to help you put the shoe on. Here's the other side. It just looks, well, it's basically the same thing as the other side. And here's what it looks like from the front. The plastic kind of pitches up there at the toe. Yep. So there's a watch that I did another review on. And that's what it looks like. So yeah, these are pretty nice shoes. I've worn these to play basketball. I don't really have any ankle problems, so I think if I did, I probably wouldn't choose these because these are kind of, I'm not sure if you would consider these low tops, but yeah, I would say they're probably low tops, not mid tops. I haven't had any problems with my ankles, but if you do, maybe you probably don't want to use these because there's not a lot of ankle support here. I guess you'd probably want to choose like a high top or something like that. And then the air bubble here, it looks a little dingy, but again, that's just because I haven't washed them for about a week. As soon as they come out of the wash, the thing looks clear, just like freaking brand new. I've never had a pair of shoes that I've been able to wash as often as this one without showing some sort of wear and tear. So that's great. I love it. I love these shoes because of that. Because if I'm going to be going out on a Friday night to a bar or somewhere, then I'll just throw these in the wash on Thursday, and Friday they're good to go. So yeah, that's the Nike Air Max Tavas. I recommend them. If you're looking for a nice light pair of shoes, easy to care for, and pretty versatile to wear with a lot of different things. I mean, except for like something formal, but maybe even that you might be able to get away with it. I guess that depends on your personality. But I've worn this with button-ups. I've also worn it with basketball outfits. So it's just whatever you want to wear. These are pretty good shoes. Hopefully you liked the video. Be sure to click thumbs up or subscribe for more product videos. Thanks for watching.